Sending money from RBC to India is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first way that we get is through wire transfer. It is the fastest option. Funds typically arrive within 24 hours. But accept fees from both RBC and the Indian bank receiving the funds. This method is suitable for urgent or significant transfers due to faster speed. Then we have international bank transfer. Lower fees compared to wire transfers. It has a slower processing time. Can take 2 to 5 business days for the funds to arrive. Good for medium-sized transfers. Offers a balance between speed and cost. Next we have Interact e-Transfer for specific Indian banks. It only works with certain partner banks in India. Faster and cheaper than wire transfers. Funds may arrive within minutes with lower fees. It is ideal for smaller transfers. Convenient for sending quick payments to friends or family. The next method is money transfer services. Various options are available. Compare fees, exchange rates, and processing times for different providers. Choose companies with transparent practices and good customer reviews. Can offer competitive rates and flexible options. Some services might offer additional features like currency conversion or scheduled transfers.